right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about POET, Poet Technologies here. It is up. I told you guys to buy the dip. If it's going to come down, buy the dip. You do not want to be the one chasing because you never know when you're going to get bagged. Like the people who got bagged at 15. Holy crap, did they eat a big bag? They're hoping it works out for them too on top of that. Let me see. So is there any news on this? I do not see any news at all. We do have, oh no, that's old. So why is this moving then? I don't see Poet Technologies, make sure to do. I don't see anything here. I see no news, guys. Why did this move? Is it just moving because because it was just way oversold? I mean, it doesn't even matter. The fact that people bought the dip here means that people are still very much excited and believe that this is worth more than where it was going to go. I mean, if people didn't want to buy this shit, if people did not want to hold this, it would have gone down to like 5 and maybe even below. So the fact that buyers show up is a good sign. We've had 4 green days in a row. Let me look at I'm going to have to look at the 4-hour to see what's going on here. I rarely look at the 4-hour. Let's see. Came down to support, bounced. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it's already moved almost 100%. The market's getting ready to rip here. If it breaks 1150, it can go to 13, then back to 17. So that's what I'm seeing here. So yeah, I don't. If you bought the dip and you're holding, there's no reason to sell. It looks good to me. It might go to 13 and then consolidate in a range like it did here, right? Notice how it dipped down to $7, then ran to 12 here, then went sideways and then ran to 17. So that's kind of what we would look to. I mean, that's what I would expect, a rinse and repeat. If it just blows past 12 if it just blows past 13 like butter. I don't know if you can hear the cat, but the cat was like, hey, let me inside the box because I want to, you know, I mean, if the cat appeared, that means it's a buy. Is Poet stock a buy? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. He gave you the answer. Every time the cat meows is usually a good sign. So I think it's gonna go. I mean, I have to go with the cat. The cat has not gotten it wrong. He has some pretty good damn picks. He has some good picks actually. So yeah, this thing 13 then 17 is what I would look for. And if you're smart and you're holding. You know, if you bought under 10 and you're holding, oh my god, he's stepping all over my computer. Yeah, if you're holding under 10 at this point, just move up your stop loss to break even or just $1 above break even and just play for free at that point. And the cat is still meowing and he just stepped all over everything. Hopefully this is still recording or I'm gonna look like a fool. Who's a good boy? Oh, you're such a good boy. So, Poet Technologies is going to go to 20? He headbutted the mic, so I think that's a yes. Oh, wow, he's just knocking everything down. He just wants lots of chin scratches, huh? Lots of chin scratches. So, Poet stock is going to go to the moon, is that correct? Can you give me a meow, sir? No, no meows from him. He just wants my attention, so I guess I'll have to end the video. The market looks bullish. I think 13 then 17. So if you haven't bought in yet, I'd be careful because you're chasing after it's already moved almost 100%. So just be careful. But if you're going to chase, I mean, don't blame you for chasing here, but set a stop loss at around 1060. If you're going to chase, it's already at 11s. I mean, it might gap up on Monday. Who knows? But yeah, that's, again, everything looks good to me. Sometimes these sell-offs can be overreactions, and the dip got bought up, just kind of like it did with SoundHound. So I have nothing. This cat is not going to let me finish this video, so I'll leave it at that. He said it's a buy. It's going to go to 17. You got the meow of approval. I'll see you in the next one.